This is the CoastalCraftFilAm channel, and today we're going to be unboxing this NERF NERFOOP Slam. It includes NERFOOP Slam, a foam basket, and a foam basketball. Okay, so first we have the ball. It's pretty squishy. It would be good for you could play this also indoors, and you could play them outside.
And you have this hoop.
And then you have this.
It's a flexible hoop.
Ooh, look at it. It fell off.
Be careful, don't break it.
Oh.
It has a board.
So
You can install it's an indoor basketball thing for kids.
Hooks on the door. Okay.
Do you have an instruction?
Yeah, it has instructions. So we have
Or?
$11.
That's a pretty good deal.
Okay. Step 1.
So here are the parts of the this basketball thing. So we got the backboard, the rim, which is this, and we got the spring screws. Oh, the spring screws are this. And then we got the springs, the rim connectors, the door bracket, and then the net, and then we got the ball. So it's pretty easy, it's straightforward. So we're gonna put this thing here and then put those orange rim connectors, Nimi. So we're just gonna connect that both sides. Oops. You got the other side?
There, got it.
So you just gotta push it there.
I got it in.
Okay. So if it's gonna flop if you don't have the spring, so we're gonna connect the spring over here.
I'll do it.
So there's two springs over here.
Yeah. So we're gonna add this.
Oh, wait, no, you're gonna put it inside.
Put the spring. We're gonna get the thing, and then we put the
It's
spring.
called the spring screws, and then we're gonna put the spring in, and then we're gonna line it up over here. Okay. And then you're gonna put this screw cap
with that.
tight in it. Okay, and you do the other side as well.
Okay, so we have this and that.
And this one is a door bracket, so you could actually hang it in your door, so you don't have to screw your
Can we do that?
put a screw in your wall.
Sure. No, inside.
You could actually put it outside.
Outside, yeah. No, outside, no. Inside.
Okay, so we're almost in the last part. So after that, so yeah, even kids can install this. It's pretty easy. And then you gotta put the door bracket, and then the door bracket is pretty easy to put. You just try it one time.
What would you put this in?
Try to figure that out. Is that right? Just put it like that.
And
then you can start putting the things in it. So even kids can install this, and we're gonna try it out here in a little bit. See if it works. Just locked in the door bracket, and we're gonna try it out here in a little bit.
We finished. We just finished
assembling
doing
it. See? Okay.
So we're gonna.
Let's try to put it in the door.
There you go. Oh. Now I get it.
You're gonna pull it out. Yeah.
There you go. It's ready.
Is that all the way in?
Okay.
Okay.
And so we're gonna try out.
It's pretty high.
Yes. Okay. Very cool.
Woohoo!
Who's got it?
Ooh!
Try. Try. Let me. It's so fun. Thank you guys for watching the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Subscribe.
Ring the bell.
And subscribe to get more videos at the CoastalCraftFilAm channel.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Okay, try on. Woohoo! And nobody's shot the ball yet. I'll finish the video once you you shot the ball. Maybe Noah try. Let Noah try the smallest one. That's the tiniest one. Okay, let's try the smallest guy. And then we got it. Okay. Oh no!